What if I told you that everything you see, touch, and even breathe is part of one powerful subject called science? From your mobile phone to the stars in the sky, science is everywhere. Today, we are starting a step-by-step science course. One simple topic, one short video, every single day. No difficult words, no confusion, just science made simple. This is episode 1. What is science? Science is the study of how the world works. It helps us understand why things fall, how life exists, how the universe began. Science is not about memorizing facts. It is about asking questions and finding logical answers. Why does an apple fall down instead of going up? Why does ice melt in your hand? Why does fire produce heat? All these answers come from science. Even when you switch on a light or send a message on your phone, you are using science. Why science matters? Without science, no electricity, no medicine, no internet, no space travel. Science changed how humans live, think, and survive. In the next video, we will learn what is matter. Follow this channel and start your science journey from zero to universe.